Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up basic server for VRising. So in order to do that, we'll need to press on our play button. Right here, go for the private game, host your own world where you may invite some kin. So click on it, and right here you'll be able to set up your basic game. Change the name for this world, so for example we're gonna call it Hard World. Change the game mode if you want PvE, so that means you'll be able to play with your friends against enemy AI, that's PvE. If you want PvP, which is fully player versus player mode, where you can fight against each other with your friends, you can also do that with changing these. So after selecting, for example, PvE, you can click on select rule set, and that way you'll be able to change a specific rule set for this mode. So you can start with level 70 gear, 50 gear, 30, change the difficulty to hard, and that way enemies will deal you more damage and they'll be harder to kill, and the world supply will be less with resources. You can also select easy mode, which will be, again, will be much easier. The enemies will deal less damage, and they'll be easier to kill, and the world supply will yield more resources. You can also select this is default standard PvE rules, and I think that's most optimal for playing for the first time with your friend. Of course you can pick any. So I'm going with standard PvE rules. You can change the clan size. So if you want a specific, when you create a clan where there'll be your friends, you can set the limit of how much friends can be in one clan. Next up we have a password. So if you want to protect your server with a password, simply enter the password right here and remember it. You can give it to your friends in order to join. You can enable only play solo, and that way there'll be one less option and you'll be on playing with without anybody. There'll be only you on the server. You can also change the current players available for this game, and it's from 1 to 60. So that's all of the basic settings you can change. You can also press on advanced game settings and there'll be lots of more settings to change. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.